give these guys a second to get set up with the JR E6 550. Get the music back up.
All right, folks, let's get up for James Haley. He's helping us out. I'm my name is John Reese. I'm the category manager for JR, Radio and Helicopters at Horizon Hobby. I can't do what James does, so I asked him to help me out with the E6 550. As you know, this is a raffle prize, and it's coming with everything you see that James is working with. He's got the XG8 radio, and this is a ready-to-fly kit even with the battery, so it's even charged, so if you want to go fly after you win the raffle, you can. E6 550 is some really cool new technology. Stop by the booth, check out the sub-trim 3 linkages, and James thinks it looks really good.
All right, folks, if you notice that camera chopper is actually flying over everybody right now. It's landing on the road. It's over by the road.
The E6 550 is the latest helicopter for JR Japan. Fantastic little helicopter, 550 size. This is probably the lightest 550 in the category. Extreme power to weight ratio. Also flying with the GMSS technology and the XG8 along with the JR tag fly-body system. Very nice. This helicopter is available now at HorizonHobby.com. We also have a brand new website if you want to come check it out. It's jrhelis.com. We've got all our helis on there. Also, we've got exploded new parts breakdowns. You can order all the parts you need for your JR helicopter. All the new ones and the old ones that we've already had out. Thank you, James.
Hey, just a quick mention, if you see the trainer plane flying by out there, that's actually